Hi, it's William Jamming. So in this video, we're going to change the previous stream button demonstration into a functional little mini app like this. So first, I change the layout and I add the customized, like apply all the customized, different customized style to different button and add a text box. So you press the custom button, you click, you press the default button, something like that. And if you run that for the first time, it will just show a like a default text, welcome, press the button below. Okay, and you click different button will give you a different result. Okay, so it's like a functional app. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Things it's just some like a beautify things. So I'm not going to type that from scratch. Basically, I just add a state and message, so can save the data, and we can show that in your text. Okay, and add a spacer. You can ignore the spacer, it doesn't really matter, and put all the bottom inside with a V stack and adding a spacing, and then instead of just print it out, because if you click this button it will trigger the code inside, instead just print it in the back end. You can actually change the message, and since the message is here, and it will automatically change. Okay, and I change all the bottom style. Instead of just using the modifier, I just use like apply every style as a struct. Okay, basically it's a button style, and you make your customized button style, make a body, and add in that specific configuration inside. Okay, and of course you can use my code to fine tune it, to change it. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. If you like my video, please give me some up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And if you want to just download the code, of course I try to like browse through all this code. Okay, but you're just lazy, you want to download it, you want to quickly get hold of all my code as well as a commercial license. So you can, yeah, of course you can use my code commercially. Please join the Patreon. Right, I lower the Patreon price to just $3 a month, and just for paying once you can already download all the previous code. But you more than appreciate. I really appreciate if you like continue to support me. So if you to be honest, no pressure, but to be honest, if nobody support me right now, it's just like 0 members. If nobody support me, I'm already broke, deeply in debt. So yeah, this channel may just die out, and no update. So I may, I don't know, I may start doing delivery. I completely give up my programming career. So yeah, so please support, and you can download that, you can use that commercially, all that. Okay, thanks, bye.